All right, so as you can finally see, we are actually back with something new, which is my project that I'm having to do basically. And yeah, so this is all the files in it, and I still have the Viva pending for that for this project. So I was basically trying to go through it again and kind of revise stuff and do all that kind of thing. So basically we have our backend part, and we have our in the backend we have applications which has API, all the API files, and the task and worker files, which has basically like celery tasks and all that stuff. We have main file, and yeah, that's the overview of backend. And front end has like router, app, uh, normal sort of things. And finally we have components as well. So we have admin and user dashboards and other things related to it. So yes, that is it. Let me just try running it and do check if everything is working fine or not. So we already have our virtual environment created. So I'll just uh, copy this command and paste it. Then I'll move to backend, and we don't need to do all this requirements installing and all that kind of stuff. Why? Anyways, let me. This is just repeated, but let us just leave as it is. And we have npm install for installing node modules, and to install other dependencies we have this vnv folder. But yeah, basically we don't need to do any of that. We just need to do python 3 main dot py. By the way, I am running this inside wsl ubuntu with the windows subsystem for linux, and it is up and running. Although we also need to run our front end server. So for that we'll do npm run dev, and now we can go to this URL. So you can see this is the home page, and we can do all these things. I think we already have the database, so let me log in as an admin. uh, Login successful. Yes, there is a database, and this is summary. We have users, we have two users. So let us also see what they have been up to. uh, so we have this this reservation, it was there. We have our summary, and we can also do this export csv, although we are not running the redis and celery and all those servers also. Although let me do run the redis server, which is this command. So it is initialized, and so caching is applied basically on this summary part. So we can see whatever things here, and it will update after like 60 seconds. So yeah, let me also see what test 2 is up to. Okay, so it has also one thing. Now let me again go to admin. Not ABC, it is Gmail. You can log in. So now let's say I want to delete this. And by the way, this had no like reservation history or anything associated with it. So it's gonna say permanently delete or something. Yeah. And if I like add another lot and do something. By the way, let me just decrease the number of spots here. So yeah, now we have 5 spots, and we can also create a new one if you want to, and all that kind of good stuff. So let me also just, for the sake of it, try to run these servers. So currently, this is the Mailhawk testing server. Currently, there is nothing coming here, but as you can see, I can go to backend folder and run these things. This is the worker, Celery worker, and this is the Celery beat. Although I will have to go to backend first. Yeah. So okay, why is it not sending anything? Okay, yeah, I think beat was not running. Now it should, hopefully. It will take a bit of time because we have like 60 seconds before it sends a new one. So yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Why is it not doing so? It has not even been 60 seconds. What am I talking about? Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. So there is some issue actually. And for some reason it is not giving us what we want. Let me shut this down. Let me do it again. So it is ready, and it is connected to Redis as well. And here it says starting. Monthly report sent, daily reminder sent. Okay. Why is it not sending, dude? Let me also restart this. Am I going on a different? Is it 1025? No, I think it's not. It's this one only. 8025. Okay. Session ended. What is this? It is not sending anything. Fuck. Let me check actually. We don't need this. Okay. So we have this task and everything here. Let me log in as a user and let me see if the custom like exporting thing is working or not. Yeah, this is working. Yeah, see, this is actually working. And we are getting this file as well. So that is fine, but for some reason it is not sending the reminders or their monthly reports. Okay. Backend is also fine. Redis is also working. We are also in the backend folder and we are working good. Then why is it not doing so? Monthly report. There is no, there is basically like there is not an error also. So I'm not really sure what to do actually because this all seems to be working fine, just fine, and it's just that the mail is not coming. Port is 1025. Is there? On which port to run the Mailhog server? Yeah, see, it is 8025. So we are on the current actual thing, and nothing is breaking, and everything is fine, and it is still not doing so. me stop running everything. Let me clear. Let us start again. Okay. Okay. And now let me run these things first, right? And this one as well. Okay, why is it saying sent? It should be like an error connecting to server, because we are not even actually connected. Sheesh. Let me kill this terminals. Let me start again. Let's go to backend. It's clear. Let's run the worker. It should give an error here because we are not running the Mailhawk server. Let me kill this one as well. And let me clear this. And let me run this. Ah, shit. Okay. See, it is directly saying daily reminder and monthly report sent, without even saying that. Okay. Okay. Mhm. So the export thing is working, but our thing is not. Have I removed anything which is, but then how is it sending the. Mm, yeah, how is it doing this? Send email, send email. Okay. So here we are getting email as in parameter, so that's why we are just saying email is equal to email. Here we are not doing anything, and we are just sending the mail to user.email subject monthly report. Email content is equal to our HTML report, and send email is email subject, email content, attachment, SMTP server host, SMTP port, sender email, Sender password nothing. Okay. If attachment, then we are doing this. Otherwise, server.login, sender email, sender password, server.send message, and then we are quitting. So that should actually work. Let me deactivate the virtual environment here, and then maybe run this. Mm-mm-mm. Now this should be running, although it is not getting any mail according to our thing. Yeah, so it did send, right? But again, we are not finding anything right here, and that is weird. Localhost this celery. Uh, 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 mm, Caching we are initializing, and Redis cache, localhost this celery. We are also doing from worker. We are importing celery, and application to task. We are importing everything. Is there the data? Yeah, database is still there. Okay, maybe let me create a new user, right? Let's see what happens then. Let's say test3 at gmail.com. Sorry, this should be here. You can just say test3, test3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is registered. Let me log in as admin, and let me create a new lot. And according to our system, it should send a reminder to everyone. Total spots, let's say 10. It is created. We have users as well. So now it should. Okay. Okay, so it is sending the daily reminder to like new users. Oh. God damn. Yeah, so just a second. Yeah. Okay, so now it is sending daily reminders to everyone. Test 2 as well, test 3 as well. But it is still not sending the monthly report, right? Yeah. So now let me have some data with this user. Currently we have nothing. So let's say if I book a spot in this one, so now it should generate a monthly report. Yes, there is our monthly report. So it says total bookings is equal to 1, most used parking lot, the other station, yeah, this, and yeah, and again it is sending daily reminders, but not the monthly report. So let's say we have parked now. Here the status was booked. Now the next one that comes, it should have the status as. I think we are not showing. Yeah, yeah, it should have the status as parked. Hopefully, let us see. Let us see. What the fuck? Yeah, we have. Okay, shared. No, no, no. It has only sent for test 3 again, and now it is not sending a daily reminder to test 3 because we have already have booked a spot, and we have the status as part. Now let's release it. So this is the status. This is the cost. So that is it. And now we just it will show us the cost now. So let us wait for that as well. uh, 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 mm, mm, mm. Okay, so yeah, total amount spent, status released, cost this, spot id this, and this email sent, so was sent from Parky. So yeah, uh, our things are actually working fine. There is nothing to worry about here. It's just that there was this database, old database, and I think I've deleted the database anyways, so it does not matter. I will be creating the database or whatever the users and admin on and all that kind of stuff from scratch only. So yeah, although let me try one more thing. Let me log in as this user. So it's not showing anything for this, right? But now let me book something here. So now we have booked a spot, and this is the old one. So now what it should do, that it should only send the daily reminder to this test 2, and it should send a monthly report to test 3 and monthly report to test as well. So yeah, that will be the next thing. Let us see what happens. uh, 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 uh. By the way, let me see the summary in the meantime. Yeah, there is our daily reminder for test 2, monthly report for test 1. No, sorry, test. Okay, yeah, yeah. So, yeah, basically, that was the thing. This previous history, it is not concerning itself with for some reason. I think it should, but maybe the database has been deleted and then I created it again and then maybe I did not run it or something like that. But yeah, it is sending the monthly report for the new one only. Anyways, yeah, we have seen that. So let me park this in, and it will take 60 seconds to reload this though. But we can see our things running here, and let me just wait for a bit to let this summary thing. Okay, so it is showing park now, and yeah, and if I release it, it will be saying parked one, released one, and now then it should say all released. So this should become all red. This should remain the same, more or less. We'll just try to refresh it this time. So let's see. Has there not been 60 seconds? 60 seconds is quite a bit of time if you think about it. We just like it just depends on what you're doing, right? If you're if you're like watching something or if you're playing something or if you're like really into something, then 60 seconds is like nothing. It seems nothing basically. But if you're waiting for something like I am, yeah, then it is a lot. So that is it for our code for now. Let me see what time it is it. Okay. So by the way, I'm trying to okay, let me just stop these things. Yeah, so I was saying that I'm trying to go back to go back not go back basically go to sleep by 10:30 or max 11 so that I can go to the gym in the morning. Today I went at like 6:30, but from tomorrow onwards I want to go. No, today I went at like 7 or 7:30. Yeah. But tomorrow onwards I want to wake up at like 5:30 and then go to the gym by like 6 at max. So yeah, that is it for now. Uh, I will be coming back with this code again tomorrow, and we'll try to understand some more stuff, or we'll just simply uh, learn things about salary and how it works and all that, and maybe I'll do all these things on my own time. But yeah, let's see. That is it for now, though, and I will be just doing. I will be doing my night rituals like whatever, brushing my teeth and all that stuff, and then going to bed. So yeah, have a good night or day whenever or if you're watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Signing off. Bye bye.